Welcome to this crochet tutorial. Today we're making a sweet and elegant lily of the valley flower using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook. This piece is perfect for floral decorations, keychains, or spring-themed gifts. Grab your yarn and hook, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a pattern. Let's begin. For row 1, start by chaining 19. Turn your work, skip the first chain, and make 18 half double crochets along the chain. Take your time here. This is our foundation row, and it sets the base for the bell shape. Great job. Let's keep going. Next, for rows 2 to 22, we'll create texture by working in the back loop only. At the beginning of each row, chain 2, turn your work, and make 18 half double crochets in the back loop only. Repeat this for 21 more rows. Tip: mark every 5th row to stay on track. You're doing amazing. Keep those stitches even. For row 23, chain 1 and make a slip stitch in each stitch across the row. This will help us close off the piece cleanly. Now breathe and relax, you're almost there. Now let's shape the bell. Curl your piece into a ring and sew the last row to the foundation row. This forms the cylindrical shape of our flower. Isn't it looking beautiful already? To finish the bell, work 23 embroidery wave stitches or a decorative edge around the bottom. Feel free to use your favorite edging technique here. This is a lovely way to give the bloom a natural flair. Tip: use a contrasting color for a pop. Let's crochet the leaf now. Begin with a magic ring. Into the ring, make 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to close the round. This forms the base. Tip: keep the stitches tight for a neat shape. Chain 1, then increase in each stitch. That's 6 increases or 12 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. The leaf is already expanding beautifully. Chain 1, then repeat. 1 single crochet and 1 increase, 6 times total. Slip stitch to close the round. Nice progress. Each layer adds gentle curves. Now for the leafy points. Repeat this 6 times. Chain 5, skip 1 chain, then work a single crochet, half double crochet, and an extended stitch. Skip 2 stitches, then slip stitch. This makes the edges look like natural leaves. Take your time on each point. Your leaf is going to look lovely. Begin with a magic ring and work 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to close the round. Let's create the cute small bell now. Chain 1 and do 6 increases all the way around. That's 12 stitches in total. Slip stitch to join. This is just like we did before. You've got this. Chain 1 again and repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase for a total of 18 stitches. Slip stitch to finish the round. Tip: use stitch markers if it helps you stay on track. For the next 4 rows, chain 1 and make 18 single crochets in each row. Slip stitch to join each time. This builds up the body of the bell. Enjoy the rhythm of these rows. Chain 1 and begin decreasing. Repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times. This starts shaping the top of the bell. You're nearly done with this piece. For the final round, let's create petal-like frills. Chain 1, then work CC, HDC, DC into 1 stitch, and DC, HDC, SC into the next. Repeat this 6 times. Slip stitch to finish. Beautiful job. This detail really brings the small bell to life. You can customize the stem length and material based on your design. Use wire wrapped with yarn or a crocheted I-cord. Attach the bells and leaves securely for a natural cascading look. Tip: mix small and large bells for a more dynamic bouquet effect. And that's it. You've just created a stunning lily of the valley crochet piece. I hope this brought you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Handmade crafts like these are truly special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more floral crochet patterns. Share your creations with me. I'd love to see them. Until next time, happy crocheting and take care.